Selling your home? You should consider home staging if you want to sell faster and get top dollar. Let's go over some tips for home staging. Tip number 1, declutter and depersonalize. It's time to make your home a blank canvas. This means removing personal photographs, keepsakes, and excessive furniture. The goal is to allow potential buyers to envision their own lives in the space, not yours. Moving on to tip number 2, enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter. A well-manicured lawn, a fresh coat of paint on the front door, and clean windows can make a world of difference. Remember, you want to draw buyers in from the moment they lay eyes on your property. Tip number 3, invest in minor repairs. A leaky faucet or a squeaky door might seem insignificant, but to a potential buyer, it could signal neglect. Address these small issues to show that your home has been well maintained. Finally, tip number 4, neutralize the space. Bold colors and unique decor might reflect your personal style, but they may not appeal to everyone. Opt for neutral colors and minimalistic decor to appeal to a wider range of potential buyers. To summarize, successfully selling your home in Ontario involves more than just putting it on the market. It's about presenting your home in the best possible light to attract the right buyer. Declutter and depersonalize to allow buyers to envision their own lives in the space. Enhance curb appeal to draw them in from the first glance. Invest in minor repairs to show a well-maintained home. And neutralize the space to appeal to a wider audience. There's a wealth of resources available for sellers in Ontario, from home staging professionals to online guides and checklists. Remember, the effort you put into staging your home could be the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. So take these tips to heart and get ready to make your next move.